Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert a RAW file into a JPEG using Adobe Photoshop. First, open Photoshop on your computer. Then go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, choose Open. Locate your RAW file on your computer and select it. Once you click Open, Photoshop will automatically launch Adobe Camera Raw. This is the workspace where RAW files are adjusted before opening in Photoshop. Here, you can make adjustments such as exposure, contrast, white balance, or color corrections. If you are satisfied with the way your photo looks, click on the Open button at the bottom right. This will open the RAW file directly inside Photoshop. Now that the file is open in Photoshop, we need to save it as a JPEG. To do this, go to the File menu again and choose Save As. A new window will appear. In the Format drop-down menu, select JPEG. Choose the location where you want to save the file on your computer. You can also rename the file if you want. When you are ready, click Save. Another window will pop up asking you to choose the quality of the JPEG. If you want the highest quality, move the slider to the maximum value. Then click OK. Your RAW file has now been successfully converted and saved as a JPEG image. Thanks for watching.